So today I'm pleased to share an update on another one of our Measure MM construction projects. I am ecstatic to be here on the Del Mar Heights School site to share with you the exciting progress being made on the school rebuild. This construction project is flying along and great progress is being made. We are on track to have this project completed by the end of the school year. As of today, we have plans for our students and staff to be here on this campus for the end of the year activities in May. Right now, I'm standing in what will be the school's brand new front office and entrance. This space is designed to be a warm welcome to our students and families when they arrive at school. As we move into the school, you can see that the classroom building is really taking shape. Each learning studio will be filled with natural light and have access to a large shared learning commons that connects directly to an outdoor learning space. Each of these spaces will be well appointed to encourage student engagement with one another and will allow for meaningful learning within and between learning spaces and their home learning studio. As we move outside, this area that is right now holding all of the construction equipment will be a brand new field that our students and community will be able to enjoy for years to come. There will be a trellised walkway that connects our main classroom building to our Innovation Center and STEAM Plus studios. And there will be a grassy amphitheater that will be used by the entire school, filled with creativity, conversation, and performance throughout the day. Let's head back to the front of the school where the main administration building is located, and right beside this building are the kindergarten learning studios and play area along with the after-school program rooms. Heading to the west, you will find our MUR Innovation Center and STEAM Plus learning studios. This learning hub will be filled with activity all day long, every day, as students access these areas for a variety of purposes. A large portion of our book collection will be housed in this space as well as throughout the entire school in order to allow for maximum student access to our library collection. We can hardly wait until May 2024 when we are standing on this stage with our current 6th grade students as they promote to middle school. This is DMUSD, a great place to be!